Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Carla, or welcome if you're new here. Hi, thank you for clicking on this video and welcome. So, I know it's been a while again, but if you must know, let me just get this out first and foremost. I'm currently serving my 14-day quarantine back in my hometown in Macau, so I am stuck in a hotel room. So if you've been wondering why, If you've been wondering why I haven't been able to put up a new video, that's because yes, I have been stuck here. The process of coming here was so complicated. It used up so much of my energy and time to just get to where I am at the moment. So I'm not gonna really talk about that in this video, but if you want me to talk about that, then maybe I can make another video for that, but not promising anything. It's just, I just want to get it out. But anyway, that is that. So yeah. Today's video is all about the CircleDNA test, which obviously, as you can see from the title, yes, I'm gonna try it out today. But let me just give you guys like an overview of why I'm doing this, or kind of like a backstory. You know, like most of us, this year has got us thinking about our health with the pandemic and everything, and especially for me because this is the year that I turn the big 30. Yes, and that is this month. This is my birth month, and yes, I am almost leaving the calendar. By the time you're watching this video, I would have already turned 30. And you know, I have been quite diligent with my workout, trying to keep a balanced diet because I want to live longer, you guys. Who does it? Anyone who's into fitness or trying to get healthy and the kind of stuff, you know, if you've been doing research, you would know that exercising daily, eating healthy is just one part of the equation. Genetics play a huge part in like how our bodies function, like how we digest food, our height, our weight, and I've always wanted to kind of understand my genetics so that I can, like, you know, really live an optimal life. This collaboration could not have come at a more perfect timing because I'm turning 30, like I said. I can't believe that. Do I have to say that so many times? I think it's a good start for me so that I can really, like, moving forward, live a healthy 30s lifestyle. This partnership is for their Singles Day campaign. I don't know if you guys are familiar with Singles Day, but it's kind of big in Asia or maybe just in China. But like where I am, it's a huge deal because there's always like lots of sales, lots of promotions and all that. CircleDNA is doing kind of the same thing, and they have this promotion going on, which I'm gonna get into a little bit later. But I wanted to give you guys a little background on what it is all about. So I'm not really familiar with these kinds of testing, but I've heard about a few before. Mostly it's like having an interest of finding out what my ancestry is. But apparently these kinds of tests give you so much more than just getting to know who your ancestors are or where you came from. So basically CircleDNA offers gene sequencing service, and it will give you over 500 plus results, or I would say data, on like 20 different categories. And the categories range from health and fitness, the optimal diet solution for you. So I've been reading about it as well because, like I said, I'm not that familiar, but I wanted to know a little bit more about it before I took the test. And I found out that they have 3 different kinds of tests. So the first one is the Vital DNA test, which usually costs $189. This is the lowest tier of reporting, but it tells you so much about your diet, your nutrition, like fitness and wellness, and it usually comes with like a 30-minute consultation with their experts who would give you an idea of basically actionable solutions based on your results. So I think this for my goal alone is already good enough, but they did give me the premium kit, which contains all 3 reports, all 3 tests, or reports from all 3 tests. Yeah, that makes more sense, right? And I guess it's not bad to find out more about myself, right? Besides what kind of diet is suitable for me. So the second test is the health DNA test. So basically this is more focused on giving you actionable information about like cancer and what kind of diseases you're prone to having and what can you do to prevent it from happening. So this report is originally priced at $499. And then the third report is more focused towards the future. So for someone like me, it would be useful as well because you might know that I will be getting married soon. Actually, I'm supposed to be married this month already. I was supposed to have my wedding last month. But anyway, that's besides the point. So for someone like me who might start a family sometime soon, this is going to be useful for me as well because then I will find out what kind of genetic risks that I have that I might be able to pass on to my children, my future children. Pray that I don't have any bad genes that I can pass on to them, but we'll see. So yeah, it offers 163 reports, each corresponding to a specific disease or disorder. I guess that is quite easy to understand. So I have a test here with me. I asked them to deliver it to my mom's place, and my mom sent it over to me here in the hotel, that I can do this while I'm here. This collaboration is actually for my Instagram, but I decided to do a video anyway because I think this is gonna be an interesting experience. And the results from you will come out in probably about 20 to 25 days, depending on how fast I can get the shipping done and everything. So this will be a two-part video. This is the first part where I take it and I'm gonna share it with you guys. We'll go through the whole experience together. And then the second part will be where I'm going to share the results with you guys. So this contest is not necessarily a giveaway, but will give you a chance to acquire this premium kit test for only $1.11 US or 11.11 Hong Kong dollar. So that is the whole concept of Singles Day, which is 11.11. So the original amount of it is US dollar 629, Hong Kong dollar 4990. So that's like a huge steal. How does it work? You have to go to Instagram first. Follow my account. My handle is @MissCarlaViolet. I'll link it down below. And you have to follow CircleDNA's Instagram account as well. So I'm gonna link everything down, and I'm gonna type it all down as well for you to, participate if you want to. Basically, that's it. But if you want to multiply your chances of winning, then of course you can do a whole bunch of other things, which I'm gonna put on my Instagram as well. You can go there, check it out, participate if you want. I really hope that you do, because I think it's a good investment, because it's a one-time test and you get to figure out a lot of things about yourself and what you can do. The test comes with 2 consulting sessions with their professional who will tell you what to do or give you advice what to do in order to, maximize the result of the test fully. I'm just gonna open it like that. Okay, and then slide again. I actually like the packaging. This is really nice. Okay, it's here. Oh, hello to the new you. So there's a bracelet right here, and then message. Dear friend, let me be the first to welcome you to the Circle community. Like you, we are driven by a passion for health and being the best versions of ourselves. We believe that by understanding your DNA, it is our greatest opportunity to improve and optimize health for life's journey. Okay. We hope you'll think of Circle as more than just a DNA test. Approach it with open arms and be prepared to make changes that will allow you to live a healthier and happier lifestyle. That is true. Maybe like a lot of people, I think, even though they know, well, they have the information that they need to kind of like make changes for their life, they just don't act on it. And I think like information is key, but then acting on the information that you have is also a major key, because it's kind of useless to have the information if you're not doing anything about it. So yeah, that is one thing to keep in mind. To further inspire your change, enclosed is our Circle of Change bracelet. Thank you for making a difference. Prevention, not treatment. Okay, that is really nice. I'm part of the family, guys. I am gonna open this DNA collection kit right here. First step, register this kit. So I think there's an app that I'm supposed to download. My internet here sucks, you guys. This hotel, the Wi-Fi just sucks. So let me try and see if I can. Loading. Okay, I got it. CircleDNA. Let me just download. Now I'm gonna have to register this kit. So I think I need to open. Okay, I'm gonna open this, and the tube should have a barcode. So yes, this is how it looks like. And there is a barcode, and on the app, I can scan the barcode, as it says here. Scan code. So, where is it? Okay. Collecting your sample, which is I'm gonna follow the instructions right here. And then returning the sample, mail your DNA sample to our laboratory after we have activated the kit and collected DNA. I'll figure it out later on. For now, okay, registration is done, I believe. Now the next step is to take my sample. Just took these 2 out. So I'm gonna follow the instructions at the bottom. It says here, take the swab out of the package. So I believe it's this one. Open here. Make sure not to touch the swab tip. Very careful. Okay, next is to rub the swab inside your mouth and against your cheek 10 times. Repeat on the other side. Oh, okay. It's gonna be like a lollipop. I hope I do this right. I think that's good. Place in tube. So I'm gonna have to open the tube. I really hope I did this right. Place the swab into the tube like this. Okay. And then break at the score point in the middle. So I think it's where the red line is. Okay. Did it. And then screw the cap back on to the tube and shake 10 times to cover the swab tip completely with the liquid inside the tube. Okay. And then I have to shake it 10 times. Okay. I guess that is it. And then for the return instructions, I'm gonna have to put it inside. So what this says here, I have to seal it inside the bag. I'm gonna do just that right here. But why won't it fit? Okay, I guess that is it. Sealed. Place the sealed sample return bag back inside this box and seal the box. That is it, guys. We are done. Simple as that. But I do hope I did get enough saliva for this to work and give me 99% result accuracy. So I will be mailing this out back when I leave here. So that would be in 4 days. And I will probably get my result back by the end of this month. If not, probably the first week of December. Hopefully a lot sooner than that. And I will make another video and share with you guys what is my results, and we'll find out together. But for now, yeah, thank you for watching this video, and I do hope that you learned something from this. I really do hope that you also participate in this contest, because it's a really good investment. I think it will be beneficial for you as well. So yeah, that is it for today, and I will see you guys in the next video. Bye! Hey guys, thanks for watching this video. If you want to see something similar, then make sure to check out these 2 videos right here. And if you like the kind of content that I'm putting out, then please make sure to hit the subscribe button so you don't miss out on anything new that's coming up. And don't forget to hit the notification bell as well.